What's up guys, my name is Nasteri, and in our today's video I want us to cover signs or how to understand what your baby is saying when they make particular signs with their hands. For example, with a clenched fist, what are they trying to tell you? With an open palm, what are they trying to tell you? When they look away from you or when they are avoiding eye contact, what are they trying to tell you? And because we cannot cover all the 50 signs because there are so many, I want to give you this guide. I want you to give you a chance to download this guide. It is only going for $1.99 because it is on sale. So I want you to download it because we cannot go through all these signs in this video because it is going to get so long. So in this particular one, I'm going to give you 5 major signs that are so important, and when you're able to interpret that, you and your baby are going to have such a wonderful time together. And then you can get this guide so that it can help you interpret all the other signs that your baby is going to make at one particular time, or from time to time, so that you are ahead. So without further ado, let us just go straight to the video, and I assure you that you're going to be so educated. These are incredible communicators even without words. But let us break down 5 key signs and what they mean. Number 1, we are gonna look at hunger signs. So when your baby is hungry, they'll often suck on their fists. They will turn their head towards you when their cheek is touched, and this is normally called rooting. Or they'll make small sucking noises. And when you act on these cues quickly, it can prevent them from becoming fuzzy or upset. And one amazing bonus tip is that early hunger signs are easier to address than waiting for crying, as it saves you both a lot of stress. And as I've told you, you can download this guide that can help you interpret the very many signs that your baby may be trying to communicate with you. And sign number 2, we are gonna look at sleepiness signs. And a sleepy baby will rub their eyes, they will yawn or tug at their ears. You might also notice them you might also notice them losing interest in play or staring off into the distance. And these are your clues that it is time to create a calm environment to help them settle into sleep. And when you ignore these signs, it can quickly lead to the baby becoming overtired, and this can actually make falling asleep harder for them. So if you want to avoid this hurdle, if you want to help your baby sleep quickly and easier, it is best not to ignore this sign and to help them and to support them to sleep early on when this sign appear. And sign number 3, and before we go to sign number 3, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have a baby or if you're looking forward to having a baby, if you're pregnant. And we normally talk a lot about pregnancy, baby care, and everything in between. Please subscribe and share this video so that you don't have to miss any of our next upload. And now sign number 3 is the discomfort sign. How do you know that your baby is having some discomfort? So sometimes your baby just isn't comfortable and they'll let you know. So look for signs, for example, like arching or arching their back. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it well. I know it's arching or arching. Comment in the video description and tell us which of the pronunciation is right. But when they are arching or arching their back and pulling up their leg towards their tummy, for example, they are lying on their back and I know they are trying to pull their legs towards their tummy, or they are screaming a lot, this could mean they have gas, and it could also mean that they need a diaper change, or they are feeling too hot or too cold. So a quick check can make all the difference. So learn to interpret this and intervene immediately. Do not wait, because when you wait, the baby is gonna get so fuzzy and you're going to be so stressed, both of you. Sign number 4, if this video has helped you so far, just hit that like button, just smash it so that this video can reach more moms and dads. And sign number 4, we are going to talk about overstimulation. So how do you know that your baby has been overstimulated? And I want to remind you that you can get the guide that has over 50 signs so that you can be able to interpret even when your baby is sick, when your baby needs something that you are not even aware of, and they are just fuzzy and are showing some signs. So you need to learn all of that because it is an essential skill. Let me call it that way. So how do you know that your baby is overstimulated? So babies can easily become overwhelmed, for example, by too much noise. If you are making the baby go through so much activity, or if the room they are in have very bright lights. So if you see them turning their head away, closing their eyes, or suddenly crying without an obvious reason, they might be overstimulated. So what is the best thing to do? So the best thing to do is to take them to a quieter, calmer space to help them reset. So do that if you read this sign, if you observe this overstimulated sign, make sure that you take them to a quieter, calmer space to help them reset. In number 5, we are going to talk about a sign that your baby is craving for some connection. So babies, just like us, they are social beings, and they also often crave your attention. So if your little one is making eye contact, if they are cooing or reaching out towards you, it's their way of saying, I need some love and attention. So respond to these signs, and this can actually help to build a stronger bond, and it will let your baby know that they are seen and loved, and who doesn't want that? So get the full guide because we cannot go all of these signs in one video. It's going to be so long and boring, and most of you are used to very short videos. So just get that guide. It is free of charge. Just click on the video description and download it so that you can read it at your own time. So so I think that's it. If you have a question, if you have something to say concerning the baby size, or if you have something that you want me to talk about, please leave it in the video description. I'm going to talk about it in my next video. Don't forget to check out all the other amazing videos that we have. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.